Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare Audi A6 vs Etios, which is better. Watch closely as we break down real ownership factors and what matters most when choosing a car. I'll highlight engine feel, cabin comfort, fuel economy, safety features, and maintenance costs. By the end, you'll have a clear sense of which model suits daily commuting, long trips, or budget priorities, using simple comparisons and real-world perspective. We'll look at performance and handling to judge how each car feels on the road and in traffic. I'll describe acceleration response, braking confidence, steering feedback, and suspension behavior for both models. Expect clear contrasts between refined high-speed stability and agile urban maneuverability. This section helps you match driving style to vehicle strengths, so you know whether you prefer a luxurious cruiser or a practical city companion. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more auto comparisons. Quick recommendation. On another note, I enjoy reading between test drives, so I recommend the Kindle Paperwhite you'll see here. Check the description for the link and other deals. Your support keeps honest reviews coming, and it helps me cover more cars and details. Now let's get back to the video. Now we examine cost and practicality to reveal what you'll actually spend over time and how usable each car is day to day. I'll break down fuel economy, service intervals, typical repair costs, insurance, and expected depreciation. We'll also consider interior space, boot capacity, and tech features that affect convenience. This helps determine which choice fits your budget and practical needs without hidden surprises.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.